This is Eric Lee Webb, and he's jamming in the shop on baritone.
On a Baritone Bender. I've never done this.
Yeah, yeah. You can bend those, you know.
It is cool, man.
Yeah. I tell everybody to play something in G, like The Race Is On.
The Race Is On?
Yeah. He just had carpal tunnel surgery, so his hand's a little bunged up, but he still plays his ass off.
That's neat to have a
baritone with a bender. Now this guitar actually, it belongs to a guy in New York. I just sold it, so.
That's cool. Wish I could play a little better, but yeah, the hand's definitely.
Yeah, the hand's messing you up a little bit, but it's all good.
Wow, that's pretty neat, Forrest.
Okay, and I'm always complaining about this amp that's crapping out, so there it is. You can hear it buzzing. It's an old PV Special 112 that's like sick.
That's pretty cool, dude.
That's awesome, man.
A Baritone Bender guitar. Very, very cool. Thank you, Forrest.
Yeah, man. Are we on?
You're on. That's cool.
Yep. Very cool. Flip the back so they can see the back of it. So there it is.
A Baritone Bender, guys. Very cool.
Right on.
First time I've ever played one. Pretty darn neat.